Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
Something called a shear zone that is there running over the 15-degree latitude, 16-degree latitude in fact, at a height of around 3.1 to 5.8 kilometers from mean sea level. And then there is a cyclonic circulation over the west central Arabian Sea near to Andhra Pradesh and Orissa coast. So these two systems are there already, and there is another system that is very likely to form by around 20th of September over east Bay of Bengal. So all these systems are going to enhance the monsoon activity and the rainfall over Goa in these coming days. The rainfall activity is going to be higher on 19th, 20th and 21st of September. So fishermen are requested not to venture into sea. Winds will be of the speed of around 45 to 55 kilometers per hour during these 3 to 4 days, 5 days maybe. So fishermen are requested not to venture into sea from 18th to 22nd along North Maharashtra, South Maharashtra, Goa coast, Karnataka, Kerala and Lakshadweep coast. Regarding the total rainfall that has taken place over Goa in this particular monsoon season, up to 18th of September till now, around 374 centimeters of state average rainfall has been reported over Goa. Now that is around 31% higher than the normal value for this period. Now we can see that this amount is slowly approaching last year's total seasonal value of around 394 centimeters.
2 दिस झाले पावसान परत नेट धरला. पेडण्या परसकड्या मेन हायवेचे काम चल्ला थंय पावसाचे उदक तुंबून रस्तो ब्लॉक, गाडयो आडकल्यो. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.